Welcome to Season 2. This is an entertainment channel, not a how-to channel. I'm still new to turning, so if you see something, say something in the comments below. Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we've got an 8x8 by 3 piece of maple. I'm going to try and make a bowl with an integrated square platter. I think that's the best way to describe it. Let's get started.
Now I haven't been sure with this. It's supposed to be a bliss, being alone, being free in every way. Didn't know what I like the feel of it, putting out what you had lit. But let me tell you, these things don't hurt a bit, 'cause you see, I was all wrapped up in everything. But now that I'm out, I got wind under my wings. So tell me that you need me, I wouldn't bother. If you're with another man, I don't even care. Tell me that you're sorry, my cold shoulder is yours since we're over. See, you got what you asked. I got wind under my wings. I got wind under my wings. Now what was it you used to say? How you needed a solid way to be yourself. Now you're free in every way, and you see, I was all wrapped up in everything. But now that I'm out, I got wind under my wings. So tell me that you need me, I wouldn't bother. If you're with another man, I don't even care. Tell me that you're sorry, my cold shoulder is yours since we're over. See, you got what you asked. I got wind under my wings. I got wind under my wings. I got wind under my wings. I got wind
Right here, I got whacked pretty good. Whack, 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 whack. I'm sure it's fine. Woo! Now that's a blood blister. Oh yeah, look at this. This is beautiful. Look, got curly maple in there. It's just gorgeous. Okay, so this is my bowl with a integral square platter. The base was a little bit taller than I expected it to be. I wanted it to be pretty short. I only wanted it to be about maybe that tall. So almost 3/4 of an inch, half inch here needs to be taken away. The idea was when it's sitting on the table, you don't really see the pedestal. The pedestal's just under there supporting it from being able to tip over. The bowl, I wanted it to go below the surface of the platter, which I think it did. The platter's got a nice little curve to it, not too deep, just nice and semi-flat. The curly maple, though, has got some beautiful little designs in there. I'm getting fingerprints all over it. Let's take a closer look. So there it is. Look at that wood. Oh, it's so bright. It's bright shining off the, it's so light colored. But that OB shine juice makes it look wet, but it's really dry. I love that part. So we'll start at the bottom. So the base, I went with a nice wide base. I wanted enough structure for it to sit on the whatever surface it was on and prevent it from tipping over. Unfortunately, I wanted it to be really not very you know, tall. I wanted it to be pretty shallow. Unfortunately, it got away from me, and before I knew it, I had a tall base here. Oh well. I did want to have a shorter or a thinner, less diameter bowl, I guess you could say. I wanted something so you could be able to place something on the side, not just on the wings, on the tips, but just on the sides as well. I could have went with maybe a smaller bowl, but I think that proportion looks all right. It's about 2/3, right? Looks good. I like it. You might ask yourself, what's it good for? Well, let me show you. Pita bread and hummus. Garlic's my favorite. Maybe vegetables? It was my wife's idea. Yeah, I really like this. I hope you did too. If you did, consider hitting that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and that notification bell. Thanks for giving me a turn on your screen, and we'll see you next week. Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're gonna take this block of, oh shit, continuity. Need my watch. I took it to 400 grit, polished it off a little bit more, put the OB shine gel, oh no. Toilet flushing. Oh, that fricker hurts something fierce, boy. Wow, I whacked that good. Oh man, it's a good thing that's all it is. It's just this little blood blister. Whew.